My next step will now be to make the handle. I will use some maple, this piece, it's very nice I think, and some rivets. I have one artificial and one is a pipe, because I want to make a line at the end of the knife and then put it when I chop around my hand so that my knife doesn't flew around or something. That wouldn't be nice. everything is nicely glued together, just like that, but the handle is still very fat and you cannot really grip it, so I have to grind away a lot of stuff, a lot of wood. So let's begin. Now I will grind the knife. This one side here is just rasped very roughly, and the other side is already a little bit grinded. It's a very nice shine inside of the wood, and I'm very happy about it. And it's all nicely glued together. It's still very heavy, and yes, let's go on. The handle is ready so far. It's all grinded and sanded. It's a very nice finish. You can see it lightening up there. This will be more visible when it's polished, and yes. So now the next step is polishing. The knife is ready now. You can see the shine of the wood very well, and you will now see a short cutting test, and then I will maybe make another video where I show how to make a scabbard for this blade, because I think that's very difficult. Yeah, because a blade like this is difficult to make a scabbard for. The next step will be the cutting test. I prepared some different touches. A piece of wood, a milk box, orange, and this curious plastic bottle here. So now I will try if I can cut all this. Fruit Ninja! Die Flasche hat nicht so gut funktioniert. Okay, I think I clearly showed that the knife is hard and sharp and very durable, that you can cut a variety of pieces with this. I don't know why the plastic bottle didn't work, but I think maybe I'm not that good at cutting, so I hope you liked it, and after I make a scabbard I will start a new project, maybe smaller knife, a bigger knife, maybe even a sword.